Okay, it's Friday, December 20th. My dad said all big things or great things happen on a Friday. He was born on a Friday, he died on a Friday, and every car he ever bought was on a Friday. Dale, what are we gonna do today?
I'm gonna start that engine.
We're gonna start this engine. And there's a lot of cars in this barn people want to see started, but the granddaddy of them all that they care about is the 60L Camino. And this is such a big day. We left here last night with what, Neil? We needed a belt and a hose.
And a couple of hoses.
And that's it. And we're gonna try to start it today. So say a prayer, dear Jesus. All right, it's gonna be a good day.
Bless this engine.
Bless. Dale, what would you like to tell the fine people of America?
It gets oil.
On how many sides?
Huh?
On how many sides?
On both sides.
Both sides.
And we had divine intervention to get it done.
I did have a moment where I promised my grandpa and my dad we'd finish every car in the barn if we got oil to the other side. And
lo and behold, there it is.
Lo and behold, Dale's employed for the rest of his life.
I'm committed.
Was that stressful, Dale?
It was very stressful. It was a moment of doubt, and we got oil running everywhere.
We do. It's great.
It's dripping off the exhaust.
Oh God, it's magnificent.
Okay,
it's Friday, December 20th. My dad said all big things or great things happen on a Friday. He was born on a Friday, he died on a Friday, and every car he ever bought was on a Friday. Dale, what are we gonna do? Holy shit. Z11 performance. I said, can you believe it? We have a Z11 in Barker's barn.
She fucking did it, you guys.